Well, hello guys, this is Harshita. Welcome back to my channel. So guys, today I'm going to be telling you 5 different ways to use face wash. So let's get started. Guys, number 1 is to clean your brushes. What you have to do, take a small plastic container, add a little bit of face wash in it, add a little bit of hot water in it, and just take your dirty brushes, swirl it around, and just rinse it off with normal water. And voila, you will have clean brushes. So guys, number 2 is to use it as a shampoo. So what you have to do, so you have to do nothing, just take a little bit of face wash, apply it on your wet scalp and just clean your scalp. Why would you use a face wash is because there are some lazy days when you are out of shampoo and you have to go outside buy another one and you are too arsy. So instead of going out, you can use a face wash instead of getting out. And also secondly, suppose there is a face wash lying around in your house that nobody uses, you can use it as a shampoo. Yeah. So guys, number 3 is to use frozen face wash. What I did, I just took a silicone mold and add a little bit of face wash in each container, and when it was completely frozen. So what will a frozen face wash do? First of all, there are times when we are super lazy, we just take a little bit of face wash, rub it around and just massage it for hardly 5 to 6 seconds and wash our face. Instead of that, using frozen one, first of all, it is fun. Admit it, it is fun to use frozen face wash on your face. Secondly, the frozen face wash will increase the blood circulation around your face, and which will help to penetrate the other skincare products more better. And thirdly, in hot summer days, you want something cooling and refreshing, and it will refresh you out. Okay, so guys, number 4 is to use it as a scrub. So what I did, I just take a little bit of face wash, same like previously, I just put it in the mold. What I did, I just added a little bit of sugar, not caster sugar, super finely powdered sugar. Yes, I just take this normal sugar and just pulse it in the blender quite a few times, and when it was completely fine, I just sifted it out and pour it with the face wash and just mix it with toothpick. Now guys, sugar is the most gentlest way to exfoliate your face, and what it will do, it will get rid of the dead skin cells all over your face, and it will increase the blood circulation around the face. And thirdly, again, it will help to penetrate the more other products a little bit more better. And lastly, instead of going out for the cheap products that are not good for your skin, like you have seen in the most scrub, that the particles which are inside the scrub are walnut and apricot, which can be super harsh for your skin. And again, I said sugar is the gentle form of using it, so I just wanted to experiment that whether it will work or not, and it worked beautifully. So guys, number 5 is to get rid of tanning. So how can a face wash help you to get rid of tan? To do, take a little bit of face wash in a big plastic bowl and add a little bit of water and half of a lemon and just whisk it around for quite 10 to 15 minutes, and it will become this thick foam. And what you have to do, you can apply it all over your body from neck to down there, except on your face. Please guys, do not use lemon on your face. Lemon can be super harsh on your face, and just don't use lemon, tomato, anything on your face, anything with vitamin C on your face. You can use vitamin C serums that you can get in the market, but do not use lemon on your face. Okay, you can use lemon on your body, but I am telling you, just take half of a lemon and you start with half of a lemon. If you can bear the tingling sensation on your body, use more than one lemon. And please do a patch test. If there is a little bit of tingling sensation, it's fine, because actually it is getting rid of tan. But if there is more than that you cannot bear on your skin, do not use it. Yes, do not use it, or just decrease the amount of lemon. So guys, that is it for today. Hope you like my 5 different ways to use face wash. and I don't know why I did that. So yeah, if you like my video, please make sure that you like my video and make sure that you're subscribed to this channel. It will mean the world to me. Bye.